Elegance begins with a calm, balanced living room built on neutral colors and clean design.
Symmetry and soft textures instantly make a bedroom feel elegant and peaceful.
A refined kitchen focuses on clean lines, natural light, and beautiful materials.
An elegant bathroom feels like a quiet spa filled with light and simplicity.
Elegant spaces use layers of lighting to create warmth and depth. Soft fabrics and warm neutral colors create a refined bedroom atmosphere.
Elegance also comes from order and thoughtful organization.
Elegant bathrooms combine simplicity, natural materials, and soft lighting.
Architectural details like wall panels and molding elevate the elegance of any room.
A calm, uncluttered bedroom always feels more elegant.
Neutral colors and clean lines create the foundation of an elegant living room.
Balanced symmetry brings quiet elegance to a bedroom. Elegant kitchens highlight natural materials and uncluttered surfaces.
A spa-inspired bathroom instantly elevates the elegance of your home.
Layering textures brings depth and quiet sophistication to a space.
Soft lighting and natural textures make a bedroom feel refined and peaceful. Elegant kitchens combine beauty with thoughtful organization. Elegant bathrooms feel open, bright, and beautifully simple. Architectural details add timeless elegance to a living room.
An uncluttered bedroom allows elegance to stand out.
Elegant living rooms combine natural light with timeless materials.
Elegant bedrooms rely on calm colors and balanced design.
Elegant kitchens highlight beautiful materials and simple design.
Spa-inspired bathrooms instantly elevate a home's elegance.
Layered lighting adds depth and quiet sophistication. Elegant bedrooms feel calm, spacious, and carefully balanced.
Elegant kitchens combine beauty with thoughtful organization.
Clean lines and open space create timeless elegance.
Elegant living rooms blend architecture, light, and texture.
Elegant living rooms highlight light, balance, and thoughtful composition. Elegant bedrooms feel calm, symmetrical, and beautifully simple.
Elegant kitchens combine natural light with refined materials. A spa-like bathroom instantly elevates the elegance of your home.
Elegant interiors rely on layers of light and texture.
Soft textures help create a refined and inviting bedroom.
Elegant kitchens feel both beautiful and perfectly organized.
Clean lines and natural light bring elegance to the bathroom. Elegant spaces balance architecture, furniture, and light.
Simplicity is the secret behind true elegance.
Elegant living rooms are built on balance, light, and thoughtful detail.
A calm palette and soft fabrics bring elegance to the bedroom. Elegant kitchens combine simplicity with beautiful natural materials.
A spa-inspired bathroom creates a sense of everyday luxury. Layered lighting and textures add richness to elegant spaces. Elegant bedrooms feel calm, spacious, and uncluttered. Elegant kitchens feel organized, bright, and beautifully simple.
Elegant bathrooms combine openness, light, and simplicity.
Elegant spaces feel timeless rather than trendy.
Simplicity is the ultimate form of elegance.
Elegant living rooms balance architecture, light, and comfort.
A serene bedroom brings elegance to everyday living. Elegant kitchens combine beauty, simplicity, and natural light. A spa-inspired bathroom transforms daily routines into luxury moments. Elegant interiors feel warm, calm, and timeless. Simplicity and comfort create lasting elegance.
Organization and beautiful materials make a kitchen feel elegant. Clean design and natural light create timeless bathroom elegance.
True elegance comes from harmony throughout the entire home.
Elegance is not about luxury alone, but about harmony, simplicity, and thoughtful design.